When you're enjoying a cup of hot coffee on a winter morning, the last thing you want to think about is climbing into an ice-cold car. Hyundai BlueLink Remote Start with climate control can start your car and warm up your car's interior. Using your BlueLink smartphone app, select Remote Start, then choose your temperature. Even turn on the front defroster and enter your PIN. With BlueLink Remote Access, you can kiss finger-numbing ice scraping goodbye. Just one way Hyundai BlueLink makes your winter a little warmer. For added convenience, you can even sync multiple phones, tablets, or other devices to the same vehicle. If your keys aren't handy, use voice commands on your smartwatch to remotely lock or unlock your Hyundai. The BlueLink smartwatch app makes controlling your Hyundai always within arm's reach. Whether with your phone, tablet, or now even smartwatch, BlueLink keeps you and your Hyundai connected. Enhanced safety, security, reliability, and owner enjoyment made possible by the power of Hyundai BlueLink. BlueLink. Navigate, connect, and discover with a push of a button.